Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Lux. Today I'm going to show you how I make cauliflower steak. If you're trying to find different ways to cook cauliflower, I hope you will try this out. The full recipe will be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the notification. Let's get into this video. Roasting that cauliflower steak in the oven just brings out that tenderness and char coloring while adding depth of flavor from the spices. I also added chimichurri sauce as seen from my previous video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on those notifications to stay updated. See you soon!